जितना ज़्यादा मटेरियलिस्टिक चीज़ों के पीछे भागते रहते हैं, कहीं न कहीं हम भागते रहेंगे एंड एट द एंड ऑफ द डे वी वोंट सफाइस फॉर एनीथिंग। तो ये
Yes.
फीलिंग काफ़ी समय के बाद आई या अभी कुछ टाइम पहले आई? हाउ डिड दैट अकर ऑल ऑफ अ सडन टू यू?
Actually, मुझे लगता है deep down I always knew this, because the way my parents brought me up, they told me that you don't have to run behind money. Do things for your self evolvement
हुँ।
and for your happiness,
हुँ, हुँ, हुँ।
and to achieve
हुँ,
things,
हुँ,
to achieve something higher in life, not for money. Because
हुँ।
money, you can quantify it, but talent, how about talent?
यू कांट।
Talent, कुछ चीजें ऐसी होती हैं लाइफ में कि you cannot compare them with money, they cannot be bought. So I like to focus
जैसे
on those things. पैसे आपके पास कम हो सकते हैं, लेकिन
जैसे
पैसे शायद,
वन सेकंड कुछ चीज़ें ऐसी होती हैं जो पैसे से नहीं खरीदी जा सकती, ये सबको जानना बड़ा ज़रूरी है। मैं
हाँ,
जानना चाहता हूँ कौन-सी चीज़ है? क्योंकि आजकल बहुत सारे लोगों को लगता है सिर्फ पैसे से हर चीज़ खरीदी जा सकती है। आई वुड रियली वांट यू टू स्पेसिफाई, वुड बी रियली नाइस।
पैसे से आप टैलेंट नहीं खरीद सकते, आप वो
हुँ,
आवाज नहीं खरीद सकते,
सही
आप वो
बात
स्किल्स नहीं खरीद सकते जो आप में इनबिल्ट है। ऑफ कोर्स यू कैन लर्न, यू कैन
है।
पॉलिश व्हाटएवर टैलेंट्स यू हैव। अगर आप में कोई टैलेंट नहीं है तो आप उसे किसी व्हाटएवर स्किल्स दैट यू वांट टू हैव, उन्हें आप थोड़ा सा आप ला सकते हैं खुद में। लेकिन जो अंदर है,
हुँ,
लाइक, I never learned music. I never learned singing. But for me, it's like meditation. You
हुँ।
know it. You are
आई
the
नो
one
ईच
who
एंड एवरीथिंग
told,
अबाउट दैट या।
yeah, you told me to start my YouTube channel and start doing
हुँ।
covers. So I'm always grateful to you for
व्हाट यू
that,
सेइंग? थैंक यू सो
for
मच, दैट्स
motivating
वेरी
me
काइंड ऑफ
towards it. And singing is one of those things. Like acting is my passion,
यू। हुँ,
but singing is my meditation. I
मेडिटेशन।
can just, close my eyes and sing, and everything stops for me at
क्या
that time.
महसूस होता है उस समय?
आई फील, ये बहुत ज़्यादा ऐसा ना लगे कि बहुत ही ज़्यादा स्पिरिचुअल मैं कुछ बात कर रही हूँ, लेकिन
That's okay.
आई फील
You
कनेक्टेड
can just
विद
talk about
गॉड।
it. We are absolutely okay. I would want to know it.
Yeah, so
क्या
I
महसूस
feel, when I sing, I feel connected with God. I
हुँ,
feel in a state of, I'm in a state of ultimate bliss, meditative state it is. I feel connected very deeply with myself, and I feel so happy. I can't tell you. I feel like, this is it. This is the ultimate happiness, and इसके beyond क्या चाहिए life में?
हुँ.
सब कुछ तो है. I feel complete, I should say.
You feel complete. How
So
nice is
isn't
that?
it very powerful? Can it
Hmm.
be bought? It cannot be bought.
It can never be bought.
Or no auto tune can buy it. No, nobody can. No amount of money can give you that feeling. So this is
But this
priceless.
is what you just said. It seems like the purpose of life. It seems like, when you're absolutely aligned, when you are in a meditative state of mind while doing while doing your work or maybe creating any skill or an art or anything, and you're completely connected to God. इससे ज्यादा क्या चाहिए? मुझे लगता है हर इंसान बस यही चाहता है कि काम ऐसा हो जिसके अंदर मेडिटेशन महसूस हो, जिसके अंदर
Actually,
खुशी महसूस हो, जिसको करते करते ऐसा लगे कि वाह, दिस इज ब्लिसफुल.
yes,
Like
yes.
in acting, between action and cut, I have felt so many beautiful moments and it is absolutely blissful. And I'm like in my own zone. But वो कभी कभी आते हैं बीच बीच में जब सुर लग
हाँ,
जाता है कहीं पर.
हाँ, 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 I know, I can relate.
Hmm.
ऐसा होता है.
Let
And you
me
feel like, you did something really बहुत,
magical.
yeah, magical.
Magic
होता है.
just comes all of a sudden. वो
Yes,
भी
yes.
तब जब आप क्रिएट करने की कोशिश नहीं करते हो, जब मुझे लगता है अपने आप फ्लो में बहुत सारी चीजें
हो गया.
बहती हैं. It's a
हाँ.
fluid state of mind and a fluid state of heart, and it starts come to you, and you start in a different zone of life.
Yes, absolutely.
I want to come back to acting. Acting is your passion. I was watching a scene on Instagram regarding you and your mother, something where it's like a monologue you're saying, कुछ तो आप कह रहे हो,
होता है.
and yeah, and you're whispering in the tone, and it's very, very beautiful, and it really touched my heart. What exactly was that? Just explain me a little.
Thank you. Thank you. Actually, I was, while, this COVID, when this started, so I started, taking a little bit of acting lessons online. So it was a part of my assignment. So it's this movie called Stoker. So it's a very famous mother-daughter scene where the conversation is going on between the mother and the daughter, and she's telling her, why do we have kids? And when you feel that you have made certain mistakes in life, you want your kids not to make those mistakes. You want to teach them, you want to mold them in a way that they do not go through the same things. But with this daughter of hers, she is utterly disappointed and she's shocked at what she has done. So it was that scene. It's a very highly expecting, a mother who has high expectations from her
Daughter.
daughter, but the daughter has done exactly the opposite.
Hmm.
So it was that scene. It was just a part of the assignment, and uh, my teacher told me to just put it on Instagram, and he told me. I was very hesitant because I was very embarrassed. It was for the first time I was taking any online classes on acting, and I was like, what would be the reaction to it? Should
Hmm.
I put or should I not? But
Correct.
the reaction was really nice.
Hmm. Did you enjoy while doing it?
Yes, yes, yes. I one thing about myself, which I would like to say, is that I'm a person who will never do something that I don't enjoy, and this is the thing I would like to tell everyone, that when you enjoy what you do, वो दिखता है.
Hmm.
So, and otherwise, then it becomes, job.
Hmm.
And I do not like doing any job. I like to do what I enjoy. So I
Hmm.
enjoy it. जो भी आप देखेंगे मेरे Instagram पे, especially like my reels. So I've enjoyed them
चाहे वो
all.
रूप की रील्स हो, चाहे वो सीन हो, चाहे वो सिंगिंग हो, चाहे वो स्केचिंग हो, anything that
हाँ.
Dhruv enjoys.
Yes, yes, yes,
But
yes.
that's a beautiful lesson for everyone who is watching as well. That
Yes,
it's
काम करने के लिए, कि
हाँ.
काम है. Like I remember when I was doing my first show, so one of the actors, one of my co-actors, she said that ये तो job की तरह है, हर दिन आना होता है. So I told her no, but for me, and I was very young at that time, 2012, 8 years back. So I
That
told
was
her that
Balika Vadhu?
yes,
Yes.
yes. So and जब मैं नई नई थी तो मैं ज्यादा मुंहफट भी थी. फिर धीरे धीरे थोड़ा सा थोड़ा सा वो उसे जो बोलते हैं ना आपको कि कहाँ पे फिल्टर करना है, थोड़ा बहुत सीख लिया. तो आई टोल्ड हर नो, मेरे लिए कोई जॉब नहीं है ये. आई तो जस्ट एंजॉय वर्किंग, आई जस्ट एंजॉय डूइंग दिस. so she said okay, देखते हैं कब तक you enjoy. So
have you been enjoying it since past 8 years now? Every scene, singing, everything?
Absolutely, it's my first love.
But I think it's very important of this concept of self-love that I also keep talking about, because हम बहुत ज़्यादा एक रिलेशनशिप में दूसरे के लिए कर देते हैं, ओवर अ पीरियड ऑफ टाइम हम अपने आप को और अपने अस्तित्व को छोड़ देते हैं. क्या आपके साथ भी कभी ऐसा हुआ है कि इन अ रिलेशनशिप though you have been loving yourself, but when you get into a relationship you surrender so much that you lose yourself?